Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisi, and this would be Vlogmas day number 21 for me. And we are on the countdown to Christmas. So, this is just the scene when I woke up in the guest room, which is where I'm sleeping presently. And I just thought the humidifier with the light streaming through the window is so pretty. So, I just had to capture it. Next, I need a coffee. So on this way to before Christmas and you're going to be out of the office, I just had deadlines. I had so much that I needed to do. Y'all know that I work from home as a tech writer. So I just needed to have some caffeine, and I make my own version of a mocha. So I just use the coffee pot that my dear friend bought for me, and I'm just filling up the water so that I can make my version of a mocha, which is the coffee pods that she left here and the chocolate. I just use the milk chocolate Swiss Miss, I think is what it is. So nothing super fancy, but that's my version of a mocha. I do not like cream in my coffee. I used to just drink it black. So the mocha is me upgrading, and then I get a little sweetness from it as well. I do not do the milk anymore. I don't know, y'all. As I've gotten older, I never loved milk, but mm-mm. So if you see the creamer there, that is for others. That is not mine, loves. I promise you, I'm not doing any cream in the coffee. I needed to make this because we need to get stuff done. I have several deadlines. I'm trying to get as much done, and I don't really have any Christmas gifts to do at this time of year. Everybody's so much older, so we don't really do Christmas gifts in my family. If you see something like really great you want somebody to have, you can give it to them, but we just don't do it. So coffee was a must. And then when I tell you, after I made this mocha, this was my meal for the entirety of the day till 8 or 9 o'clock at night, which is mind blowing, y'all. But I am not even kidding. That is how much work I had to do. So this little peaceful moment making coffee, definitely the calm before the storm. And then once I got this done, I literally was in front of my laptop the entirety of the day, updating documents, reading through documents, doing trainings, all the things. And then I had some stuff I wanted to do on my own. I was meeting with an intuitive to ask some questions about next things. So that's pretty much how that went. I just think this is cool to look at. So that's probably why y'all like, why are we seeing so much coffee? Because I just thought this was so cool, and it smells amazing. I had stopped drinking coffee after college. Okay, exams, everything's done. I don't need to stay up like that. But I went through heavy withdrawal because I am a coffee drinker. I would start my day with coffee, and then it continued throughout the day. There was a pot going all day. And if I wasn't drinking coffee, I was drinking Coca-Cola. And when I left college, I stopped all caffeine completely. But obviously, it's back. It's back. So, yum yum, my delicious version of a mocha. Y'all try it. It's just the Swiss Miss chocolate, and I poured the coffee in it, stirred really good. That's it. And if you like, you can always add a little bit of Kahlua. So, just me starting in the daytime. You can see my day started with me working in the office, trying to get deadlines done, and it's honestly continued throughout the entirety of the day. just the nonstop working, because you just want to leave stuff buttoned up before you're out of the office. And I don't know how much the people on the other side are going to get done, but I know I got done what I needed to get done, which was my purpose. Sitting here working, knocking it out, and the plants are all around me. Y'all see that majesty palm back there? She not long for here, but it gonna make it do what it do while she is. So y'all see it's morning right there. Now it's night. You see where I am? Same spot. All day long. Working. All day. Non-stop. Did not. I didn't even realize that I didn't eat. But there was just so much that needed to be done. And I really wanted to work on my personal stuff as well. Just getting some thoughts down, getting my plans down for the next year. So, yeah, I just sat there, and then my stomach was like, "Are you crazy? Can we please have some food?" So I eventually did finally get up from here and then go downstairs and make tacos. So I got the tacos from Costco. You can buy all of the whole chicken taco thing together. And so that's what I did next. Okay, I'm gonna make some tacos because I have not eaten today. The day has gotten away from me. So I'm just heating up my tortillas. Just want them warm. I don't want a quart tortilla, and when we've grown up, we was making black tacos, because that's what we called them. We was making black tacos. This is how my mom taught us how to do it. Is this the right way? Some people just put the tortilla right on the flame. Tis not I. I put mine in a little bit of oil. And these tacos are pre-made. I got them from Costco. These are chicken tacos from Costco. And that noise, the bouncing you hear, if you could hear it, that is Dante. Look at, he a little mess. And now I'm just gonna heat up the meat. Let me just drop the meat in the pan. My hands are clean. I did wash them. That's pretty much it. It's not a lot to this. I'm just heating up the meat so I can put it on my tacos. Sis is hungry. Sis has not eaten today. And this is the tacos from Costco. Chicken, that's a little cabbage, salsa, crema, and the tortillas, and under here is some cheese. There it is. That's what I'll be using for my tacos. And honestly, I'm just heating this up. Clearly the meat is already cooked. Oh, there's mine. Chicken is there. Little cabbage. little lime juice. I'll add some cheese. And that's it for my 3 tacos. We eat the taco. Hey guys, today was much randomness as you saw, and I'm about to call it a day. It was just a long day. It's the 23rd, so we're 2 days from Christmas. So deadlines, deadlines, deadlines. You had to make that final push through. I did do a couple of things for me. I started working on my 2025 plan for myself. What do I want this year coming up to look like? And the interesting thing is 2024, it was going okay, but you know, towards the end, it just felt like you were in a rut. When I was in my 20s and 30s even, I had these big plans. Oh, you're gonna get married, you're gonna have children, you're gonna buy a house, and you gotta climb in your career, and all these things I had. And here I am in my late 40s now, and I want peace. I don't know if I climbed the corporate ladder enough. I don't know if I was supposed to do more, but I know I'm just looking for peace now. So that's kind of part of the plans that I've been writing down. Okay, y'all, so camera cut off. Because it's the end of the night, everybody tired. Even the battery, I didn't charge it, so there's that. But, reminder, I need to get another battery. Also, what I was saying is I'm just trying to put together a plan for 2025. Like, how am I approaching this year? Because it looks different as we age. You're not that grinding, striving place that you used to be. I used to be like, oh, okay, if the only thing standing between me and what I want is hard work, then I'm going to go get it. 'Cause I'm going to work hard. And I'm still going to work hard. But beyond that, it's mostly working smart at this point. I'm not stressing myself out for nothing. I am going to relax and enjoy life. Look, here come. I can't. I need y'all to see this. This. That's my little buddy. Oh, I'm in my guest room because there's a humidifier in here, and I was dried up, y'all. And I was like, oh, I could just move one of the humidifiers, and then my plants wouldn't have the humidity. I just moved myself. Like, there's more than one room. Just move. So I moved myself, just FYI. Anywho, what was I saying? Planning for next year. I have to tell y'all about these books I've been reading, and this is just the most random thing. I'll come back to it, but I'm gonna put a picture of it up. So it's a book by this lady named Desiree, and I read it on Kindle Unlimited, so you know, Amazon girly, but it was on Kindle Unlimited, and I think it's a Kindle published. I think she's direct published, or I got so into this book, it was called The Perfect Sister Book 1, and the way that thing ended, I was like, what? Fabulously, there's a Perfect Sister Book 2, but it's clearly a series. It's about this group of separatist black women who are, I forgot what they were called, but it's a cult, and the black women live separate, and they think men are bad, and anybody who's not a black woman is bad. So any other race, you bad. You're a man, you're bad. But it's so
interesting. Like, when I tell you I got into this thing and I was just voraciously reading this book, going page to page. So I'm going to put the link in for it. But yeah, it's just about this group of separatist black women who have removed themselves from society, and their compound is right outside of Atlanta. And Perfect Sister. Listen, that thing is interesting. If y'all read it, comment. Listen, I'm always reading. I'm constantly reading. If you have a recommendation, please tell me about it. I know I talk about plants, and this video had pictures of some of my plants in it, but it's mostly just the randomness 2 days before Christmas. But listen, share the book information with me, but I have to tell you, Perfect Sister, she did that. Lady's name is Desiree. There's a book 1 and book 2. I don't think book 3 is out yet, or else I would have read that too. But it's so interesting. So I'm gonna put the links in for that, y'all. Check it out. Tell me what you think. That's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and so I've just got more planned for tomorrow. Getting ready for Christmas and the end of Vlogmas. All right, y'all. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.